Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to create an RSS feed from Google Trends. So I will be using the URL to RSS Custom Curated RSS Feeds plugin. So using this plugin you will be able to create an RSS feed from any site. And today I will show you how to create an RSS feed from Google Trends. So for this I gathered here the necessary plugin config that we will be using today, and this is the Google Trends page. So I copy the page URL and paste it here in the scraper start seed URL settings field. Also, I will be able to select how many items I want to include in the RSS feed, and one important requirement is that you will need to have installed Puppeteer on your server, or you will need to have a Headless Browser API subscription. I will leave a link in this video's description to both Puppeteer installation to your server. If you have a VPS or a dedicated server, you will be able to install Puppeteer on your server and use it. Or if you don't have this option, or you don't want to use this option, you can also use a subscription to Headless Browser API. I will leave the link to it also in this video's description. So let's select use Puppeteer now, because I have on this server Puppeteer installed. Afterwards, let's go to do not scrape start URL checkbox by going down here, and do not scrape start URL checkbox. This is need to be checked. Also, seed page crawling query type needs to be class. Seed page crawling query string needs to be summary text. So let's copy this and paste it here. This is needed because if we inspect the element here, you will see here in the HTML content that you will find a summary text somewhere. I found it earlier. So here should be a summary text class. So here it is. If you click on inspect on this link, for example, you will see that it is encapsulated in a div with class summary text. So we take this class and add it in the seed page crawling query string. This will tell the plugin from where should it extract the links from this page. So it will extract all the links which have this class, and all these links will have the same class. Okay, so now after we've done here, very important, do not crawl external links checkbox needs to be unchecked. So this is a checkbox that protects usually the plugin from going outside the website you are scraping, because there might be also external links in many websites, but in this case we don't want to protect our scraper from going outside, because if we would protect them, then only links from trends.google.com would be returned, and all these links are external sites. So we want to also crawl external sites, so uncheck the do not crawl external sites checkbox. Afterwards, we are ready as we added all necessary config. All we have to do is save settings and give also a name for the feed, so trends, for example. Don't forget that you will need to use Puppeteer or Headless Browser API Puppeteer, and we simply now run scraping for this feed. So we will create a feed now. We can run scraping multiple times here, and after running the second time, for example, we will get a feed, because the first time Puppeteer can load up and start the scraping process, but after the second time you will see that scraping will work for you. So now the process is running. Depending on how many items included in your feed, depending on this you will have the different time on completing the scraping. So for 10 links we will be having a couple of minutes, not more. And here it is, the green check mark appeared. Now we can refresh this site, and if we hover here we can get the resulting feed link. So here you will see that the links. Chris Eubank Jr. is included also in the trends feed. So if we search for items, for example, we will have 10 items in the feed, and also their content, links, title, description, and many more. So yeah, this is how you create an RSS feed for Google Trends using the URL to RSS plugin. I link it in this video description. I will link this plugin in this video description. Also Headless Browser API linked, and also a video which will help you on how to install Puppeteer on your server if this is possible for you. So thank you for watching. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comment section of this video. And until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.